Get paid to read emails. What's going on, everyone? Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. I'm going to show you a brand new site never seen before, and I'm going to show you the members area, how to do this very easy and fast method to make money by just reading emails. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into today's opportunity here, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity here. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real online business, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below at the end of this video, of course. But this is a perfect, super easy method to get started with to make some extra money online while you build a passive income online there. With that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the site that I'm referring to is brand new, recently launched, and is called ClickGenie. I'm going to leave a link below so you can sign up through my link there, so you can get access to everything I'm going to share with you here today. So you can see here really quick that you get paid to read emails. Make up to 0.042 for every email you read. So as I said, it's not something that you can get rich on, but you definitely can make a few extra bucks with this, because there is more opportunities here. So stay with me here to find out all the details. Now, if we have a quick look here, it is a friendly interface. I'm going to show you actually how it looks inside there. You have a multiple earning options, multiple level commissions. You can earn more for every active referral you get, up to 5 levels deep, up to 320%. So that is how you can make more money. So don't get disappointed with what you see above there, because there is 5 levels. So look at this. Level 1 is 100%, level 2 70, 60% for level 3, 50% for level 4, and 40% for level 5. Now you can of course actually make even more money. So if you have a look at it here, there is referral contests and there is also a bonus. So if I go here to the bonus, you can actually make 15 cents bonus for every active referral here. Okay, so you can see that you definitely have much more ways to make money here online with this super easy method. So basically, let me just show you how you can make money with it. I'm going to show you my email here. So you get emails like this from ClickGenie, and it says here, "Dear Atton, the simple, straightforward 6-figure side hustle." And all you have to do is just click on this link here, and it opens up in a new tab, and you see this page. And you can see here that I'm now 50%. So all you have to do is just stay until now. Boom, there you have it. You have to confirm that you're not a robot. And now I have already watched this ad, so I can't make even more money. So, but if you haven't already watched this ad, you are going to make some money there. And it's going to show up both here and of course also in your members area there. So let's have a look at actually there is an increase, commission increase here. We already seen that. This is a referral contest. So here is another way that you can make money with. You can see that there is a contest. They do have payouts from $150 and below here, $70 for first place, $50 for second place, third place $30. I'm sorry, let me correct this. It's a total pool price of $150. So you can definitely, if you are active, there is a good chance that you can make some money here, because as I said, it is recently launched, this site, so there isn't many people that has discovered this. The earlier you get in, the better, the more money you will make there, because people who sign up under you, when they are active, you will make more money, of course. So let's go and have a look at the members area. Here is the summary. First, you can see here I just played around a little bit and I already made almost $2 here. So really super easy. All you have to do is just click the email that you see there, and you stay there for 15 seconds and you earn a commission there. So this is the commission. This is the main. So let's see here. You can have a look at the referrals. These are my direct referrals. I'm sorry, there is some inactive there. Then you can have a look at the indirect. Let's see here. So these are the people that signs up under your affiliates there. So these are my the first one, the direct referrals, and people who sign up under them will show up right here below. So I just played around a little bit here with, I think it's probably 12 or 13 signups here that I have. Then you have the money section, deposit, transfer, withdraw, and logs. There is some people and some statistics, some leaderboards, and the money there. So if I go back here to the main site, actually, let's just go here. So if I have a look at some more details here, it is a secure site. They use a two-factor authentication, very transparent. All your earnings can be tracked. ClickGenie site loads in less than 1 second. It's mobile friendly and it is super fast also. I already shared with you earlier here. You could see how quickly. This is another biggie. You get instant payments. All payments on ClickGenie are instant. Your request payout, you're paid in minutes. Okay, so 0.01 is a minimum payout. I haven't seen anything so low actually around anywhere. And your first minimum payout is just 1 cent and it is instant. Now, multiple payment options. You can get paid through Bitcoin or Perfect Money here. And of course, as we said earlier, it is a secure site. You can see the stats. There are already 25,000 members that have signed up. 462 are online, and total payout $1,183. So the earlier you get in here, I think that you have definitely a lot of potentials to make more money. Okay, it goes super easy to register, very, very fast. Real-time stats is really nice and available to everyone. This is worldwide, guys. This is worldwide, okay? So all the countries are available also. And you have a rapid customer support there as well. So there is also an FAQ section. Do I have to pay to join? It's totally free to sign up. So you don't have to pay anything at all. You can only have one account there. If you get caught, you will be banned. So be aware of that. And how you get money is that you get paid to read and clicks on emails from our advertisers. And there is no limit. Actually, it's up to you how much people you refer and how often you click through the emails. You could see that it goes very fast to read through the email. It usually is one line there. And you can see here, as I said earlier, you get paid 5 levels deep, totaling 330% commission. And they also pay out 15 cents bonus for every referral you bring there. So the more referral you bring in there, the more money you will make. And there is some more details here, but you can have a look at the rest of the details actually for yourself here. It would be a good idea. As I said, I'm going to leave my link right here below so you can get instant access to this site and get started to make some really quick instant money by just reading emails and click through the emails there. Alright, you're not going to get rich with this opportunity here, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you find a link below here in the description somewhere, below the sign up link for ClickGenie here. You also find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and you also get another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Go ahead now, get started, make some super easy and fast money by reading emails. I'll see you soon.